cruising. First time I've seen someone else in my boat. My Miss Courtney. You rapist. Relaxing, right?
Yeah. It's like kayaking without the arm workout.
Yeah. Yeah, it's so much like kayaking because you gotta relax and balance.
Yeah.
Especially in these little shits.
Yeah.
I think it's about 2 miles an hour. That's what it equals. This one's so much more tippy. I'm gonna hit your wake. Oh, that was uneventful. No wake zone. It's a rainy day up here in the Pacific Northwest, but it's a beautiful rainy day. We're just chilling, full throttle here. I'm keeping up in my little tippy. See that full throttle? He's over there documenting it. Oh my gosh, it's just fun. Making turns with one hand, he ain't scared. Don't hit the ground over there. Yeah. It's alright, I got extra props. Oh, it's getting it's shallow too. Yeah. Let's get out of here. Oh, it's gorgeous. There's nowhere you can pretty much legally ride a go-kart if it's not on your yard. This is legal to go wherever the fudge I want. This is so fun and relaxing here in North Idaho with American Boathead and American Boathead. Mallards! Cruise with some ducks. There's such thing as too much fun. I think we're having it right now. Maybe. Yeah. A lot of freedom involved. Maybe next time you come up, I'll let you put the other motor on. It goes like, yeah, it goes like 25% faster. Just cruising, no handy. Alright, full speed. Ready? Oh. I got 2 more or something. I think my boat's so light and like open water. I don't even got my hydro fins on. Look at that guy, just smiling. Yeah, it's choppy. Woo! So much better with company. Especially family, man. Gotta love it. Inclement weather even. Yeah, let's. We should just go around putting flags on all those deadheads. This is our new duty. Look at these killers. Boat eaters. I don't even have a paddle if we do get out of battery. I'm scared. Let's head home. It's raining. The back to shore. We can't handle this inclement weather anymore. We might run out of battery at the worst possible time. And now would be that worst possible time.